Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki Swift. In this video I'll show you how to check tire year of production. Firstly, let's take a look at the selected tire. Right here we've got the serial number of the tire with special code. Each tire has .023 code starting. Then we have the serial number. Last 4 digits of the serial number represents week and year of production. In this case, we've got 3 digits because this tire was produced in the 7th week of the year and in 2026 year. Sometimes the tire will have additional code after this serial number, like here. This tire was produced in 24th week of 2024. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.